happens is that we did not call just anybody who is a coach. So can I request Bwana Kimecho to please read the name?
The idea is to meet the coaches and continue supporting them by providing allowances, by providing what the athletes need for their training, such as ensuring that they have their pacemakers, that their gym sessions are paid for, that the additional support of physiotherapists are trained. Secondly, we are also saying we have a performance support team which is available to work with these individual coaches to prepare them.
In the past, we have only been focusing on athletes, but we know that for the athletes to be an athlete, there's so many other people that surround them and help them to be where they are. So focusing also not only on athletes, but everybody around them to raise good athletes is very important.
The coaches have been struggling all through without any support. We like this because if you support the coach, you are empowering the coach, and the coach will empower the athlete.